Unleash the true potential of your Minecraft gear by mastering the power of the enchantment command. Ever wished you could instantly imbue your tools with Unbreaking or grant your armor mending without the endless search for enchanted books? Today, we're diving deep into the enchant command to do just that. The core of this command involves specifying who gets the enchantment, what item they're holding, and which enchantment you want to apply, along with its level. First, let's talk about the target. You can enchant an item held by a specific player, like yourself, using at S, or, if you're feeling generous, you can enchant all players with at A, or even specific players by their username. Typically, the command targets the item currently in your main hand, so ensure the item you want to enchant is equipped before you execute the command. Now, for the exciting part, the enchantments themselves. Minecraft uses internal IDs for every single enchantment. For instance, a pickaxe with efficiency would use the efficiency ID, and you can specify a level, like level 5. Similarly, sharpness for a sword uses its unique ID. You can even stack multiple enchantments on a single item, creating truly unique and powerful combinations that will dominate any challenge Minecraft throws at you. From ultimate tools for mining and farming to unbeatable weapons and nigh invincible armor, the enchant command puts the ultimate crafting power directly into your hands. Start experimenting and forge your legend.